Starting with the Apollo 11 moon landing in the 1960s, scientists delved into researching extraterrestrial life. NASA researchers focused on potential issues after encountering aliens. How do we communicate with extraterrestrial beings? Became their prime question. Scientists sought answers not from humans, but from animals. Chimpanzees and primates were first considered. But the ultimate decision was dolphins. Dolphins had brains 40 larger than humans and well-developed cerebral cortexes, making them the prime choice. Subsequently, in 1963, a white research facility named Dolphin House was erected on the shores of St. Thomas in the Caribbean. The goal was to establish communication with dolphins. By teaching them human language, scientists believed interspecies communication would mark the initial steps in diplomatic relations. One day, a woman, Margaret Howell Lovat, volunteered for an experiment at the research center. This led to her encounter with a male dolphin named Peter. Margaret dedicated herself to establishing a deep connection, with Peter contributing her utmost to the research. Peter showed astonishing progress, achieving a level of mimicking human language in just 10 weeks. As hope in the research began to emerge, Margaret made a crucial decision. She chose to live in the research facility alongside Peter. She believed Peter's ability to articulate language was due not to forceful experiments, but to a deep emotional bond and communication. She wanted to spend more time with Peter to deepen their connection, transforming Dolphin House into a shared living space for humans and dolphins. Margaret worked in a shallow pool, having a desk and chair there, and even slept alongside Peter on a mattress in the pool. However, an unspoken problem arose. Peter started showing sexual signals to Margaret, expressing affection by rubbing against her body. Margaret hesitated, attempting to redirect Peter's sexual curiosity by introducing him to other female dolphins. Yet, Peter's interest solely lay with Margaret. After much consideration, Margaret made a difficult decision. She found a way to physically relieve Peter's sexual desires with her hands. She later commented, "It was not awkward at all. It was a process of deep communication. Peter and I could progress to a more sensory level. Also, I didn't want to break the bond I had built with Peter." Despite her scientific perspective, society viewed it differently. At that time, an adult magazine company in the United States, Hustler, reported sensationally about the event as radical sexual relations between human and dolphin. Furthermore, it was revealed that John Lilly, a biologist who worked at Dolphin House, had administered lust, a psychoactive drug, to the dolphins. This caused an overnight crisis for Dolphin House, and NASA cut funding, leading to the complete termination of the experiment in 1966. All staff left the research facility, leaving Margaret alone, protecting Peter until the end. As Dolphin House was not her personal property, separation between Peter and Margaret became inevitable. In October of that year, Peter was relocated to a small tank in Miami with no sunlight. As weeks passed, Margaret received shocking news through Lily. Peter is dead. Peter's death raised suspicions. Dolphins consciously breathe and need to surface periodically for oxygen. But for some reason, Peter did not surface to breathe. He remained underwater, suffocating while waiting for his death. It is known that taking one's own life is unique to social animals like humans. At that time, it was generally believed that animals acted solely for survival. Peter's suicide shocked the world, extending beyond the realm of animal behavior. Behavioral neuroscientist and dolphin expert Lori Marino stated that animals, including dolphins, can have self-awareness and the ability to plan their own death. Dolphins are known to exhibit stranding, a phenomenon where marine creatures like whales, sea lions, and dolphins voluntarily beach themselves and end their lives. Among these animals, dolphins are known for frequent group strandings. The leading theory attributes this to extreme psychological stress, caused by intense sonar signals from submarines and ships, driving dolphins to give up on life. even when rescued and returned to the sea. Many dolphins that chose suicide often die without the will to live. Many believe that Peter reached his emotional limit, not just because he was moved to a small tank, but also because he was separated from Margaret, with whom he interacted for 6 out of 7 days a week. Peter's death led to strong criticism in the field of animal science. Dolphin behavior expert Bernd Woosie heavily criticized the experiment, saying, "The Dolphin House experiment was a complete failure. Peter didn't understand the meaning and didn't speak. Margaret's sounds were forcibly labeled through whistles." John Lilly, more than 15 years after the end of the experiment, finally admitted his mistakes, saying, "I never had the right to capture an experiment on dolphins. I should have observed dolphins in the wild." He later conveyed messages opposing dolphin experiments and performances to the public. After Peter's death, Margaret transformed the Dolphin House into a human-friendly home, decorating it with photos of Peter and herself. She married the photographer who had documented Peter and her. She continues to live in the same house to this day. After not mentioning the experiment for over 10 years, she recently shared the following words in an interview with the Beat. "When I sat by the water, Peter would come to my side and gaze at me as if time had stopped." Dolphins are known to have particularly high cognitive abilities among animals. Did Peter realize that he was merely an experimental subject, abandoned in a cold concrete tank? At the time of the experiment, Peter's veterinarian, Andy Williams, made the following remarks: "The Dolphin House experiment had unexpected results. The experiment showed that dolphins can love humans, and that they can even end their lives due to separation from them. This dolphin truly loved her." This has been Rankology.